Hey everybody, Bobby here with EZLYNK. We're back in the shop again. Today we've got our Skidoo in here, Gen 5. We just did another update, another release for new applications, new coverage. So quick highlight on some of that stuff. We just released 2026 Polaris support, 2026 Arctic Cat support, and also 2026 support with added functions. So some of these functions, just going to go over that list real quick with you, and then we'll get in depth on more of these in a later video. But for today, we just kind of wanted to give you a quick highlight, and we'll do that for you real quick. So we've got our Auto Agent 3, we've got our cable, and we've got our power induction cable hooked up so we can connect to the machine and show you what some of those are. So we'll do that now. We'll jump in here to our functions list. And in this list, you're going to get a whole, you're going to get everything, all the functions for the BRP family that we have in here. And most of these do apply to the snow machine. There's a couple that don't because they're in the UTV side, but for the most part, everything here applies to this. So a couple of the new features that we've added and we've been asked for quite a bit is rave valve control. So being able to reset, relearn those, that function is now in here inside the app. We'll just go through the list real quick on some of those. We can add keys and remove keys to this. We can test fuel injectors, we can test coils, we can reset break-in. If you're doing a rebuild or something like that, need to reset break-in, you can do that now. Oil compensation settings, or you can test the oil pump, all those sorts of things. They're all in the list, they're all there, it's all free on your Auto Agent app, so check it out. And keep an eye out for future videos where we'll dive more into depth on some of these features and functions, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.